come and sit and talk to me. And tell me how we're gonna be together always. I hope you know that when it's late at night, I hold onto my pillow so tight and think of how you promised me forever. To make me feel this way, it's a chance to say, hey, get out right now. If it is you and me, it's too late, and I can't wait for you to be gone. 'Cause I know I love her, and I wonder how I got all the lies she said that you would treat me right, but you were just a waste of time. Tell me why you're looking so confused when I'm the one who didn't know the truth. How could you ever be so cold? To go behind my back and call my friend. Boy, you must have gone and bumped your head. Because you left her on your clothes. Maybe I'm the one to blame. Well, it didn't work out that way. Get out right now. It's the end of you and me. It's too late, and I can't wait for you to be gone. All those times you treat me right, but you're just another. I wanted you right here with me, but I have no choice, you gotta leave. Because my heart is breaking, the very word I'm saying. I gave up everything I had on something that couldn't last, but I refused to cry. No tears were false from these eyes.